Chevy Box Rider, and Southern Chevy TV presents Miss Ruby, a 89 Chevy Caprice LS, coming out the muddy Mississippi.
Oh, you done did it now. The streets done woke up a sleeping giant, and it's about to go down, baby.
I'm talking about a car so clean, Chevy Box Rider got it shining like a brand new diamond, baby. With a 6-liter engine, when you crank her up, you can hear it from a block away.
I told y'all wasn't ready.
And don't get it twisted, we're keeping it old school, baby, with 22-inch Dayton Wild wheels.
With the full tires, man.
Cause if your paint ain't shining, and your rims don't bling, you ain't clean.
And that's for real, man.
Cause we taking this thing to a whole nother level, so get ready. This ad was brought to you by Southern Chevy TV, home of Miss Ruby.
What up, YouTube? The boy Chevy Box Rider here with Ruby in the garage. Ric Flair over there on top. Woo! But just making a little video. And
oh my God,
boy has been a little lazy.
You ain't got no excuse.
Oh yeah, I rigged some stuff up, man. What is this? What is that?
Oh, come on now, dawg.
Man, I tried to rig up something because I had a 90-degree elbow. I didn't.
Jesus Christ.
Damn. But anyway. Normally I would have edited that out, but I ain't even gonna edit it out. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I only had a 90-degree elbow, so I put it on and then I seen where it was rubbing because it was hitting the thing, so I had to tie it off. So let's go run to the mailbox real quick and get what I got that came in that'll work for it. 1 second. Let's get this thing. There we go. Now let's get it. Yeah! Alright, YouTube, don't be laughing at your boy, man. I know your boy was being lazy.
Accurate.
I shouldn't have had it like that, but I mean, hey. You know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to make things work, you know what I'm saying? I mean, yeah, that was your boy cutting a corner, you know? But we got the thing, I ordered this off eBay, and it ain't nothing but a 4-inch, 45-degree silicone hose coupler. I think I paid like $8 for it. But let's get this open. So hopefully this is the right angle that your boy needs. So nothing special. I might have to trim it down some. Let's see. So you should be able to, I think that's gonna work a whole lot better. So give me a second. All right, now let me get this other side off here.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah, so got that off. So we do know this way is not gonna work.
Oh, and you're a regular Rhodes Scholar.
So I'm gonna have to turn this side around. So we're gonna turn it around. Let's see how we can get this to work out a whole lot better. Ooh, that's already working pretty much better. So I could have it going like that, but I'm really not liking that angle neither. So maybe what I might do is put that and have it go down. I don't know what y'all guys think.
Do it!
You know,
Just do it!
down or something like that. I don't know, but I am about to be running double batteries, so gotta make a good decision on that. Let's see, give me 1 second. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I ain't even feeling this, man. My phone had died, so that's why I cut the video off, y'all, unless y'all would have kept on seeing me trying to figure it out, but
Why the fuck you lying? Why?
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I don't think that 45 degrees is really gonna cut it. And me still trying to have this battery over there. Plus, I think it's gonna interfere with my hose. So, what y'all think next I should do? Maybe change my hose, my upper radiator hose, or my tube. I mean my cold air intake tube. Maybe run the 45, flip it around. I done flipped it a couple ways and none of the ways am I happy with. So, I guess I'm gonna cut this video at that. Y'all give me some comments. Let me know what y'all did on some of y'all box Chevys. All right, this your boy, Chevy Box Rider, signing out.
Well, Rick.
The damnedest thing I've ever seen.
Girls,